Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to remove your Telegram wallet from Hamster Kombat in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Telegram app and then launch Hamster Kombat. Once the game is up and running, look for the an airdrop button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Got it? Great. Tap on it. Now you will see an option labeled withdraw. Go ahead and tap that and take you to the wallet section. Here you will see your connected wallet. In this case, it's your Telegram wallet. To disconnect it, look for the cross button on the left hand side of the wallet. Tap on it and a confirmation message will pop up. Ask if you are sure that you want to remove the wallet. Simply tap yes to confirm. And there you go. Your Telegram wallet is now successfully disconnected from Hamster Combat. And that's it. Quick and easy and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.